Hi, I'm Thomas and welcome to the Slimbox lab. Today we want to present you something with pride actually. We've been working on for the last couple of weeks, for the last couple of months, and recently we've added the FEFCO 203 to our portfolio. And you will see that the FEFCO 203 is not your typical e-commerce box. You need a little bit more time to fold, you need a little bit more corrugated and some glue. But with this 203 you bring a lot of strongness to your box, which allows you to package very heavy products, industrial components, spare parts, or even things that weigh more than 30 kilograms like this compressor. And we do that while folding, even with single layered corrugated like this bowl, we fold 3 layers on the bottom of the box, which brings you or delivers you the strongness you need. Knowing that you can use a top and a bottom means that this box actually gives you at least 2 layers of corrugated on each side of the box. Now let us show you how you pack your products with Slimbox 203.
Alright, so this is the default FEFCO 203. Another little bit to remove here. Just like with our other boxes, you can add an engraving. And what's special about this box, it has some folding aids, some numbers which indicate which flaps you have to fold first. This box is pretty standard with the fact that it comes with a glue flap that you have to glue first. That's that. If you want to make this box extra sturdy for really heavy items, you can also glue the inner flaps to the second one, so that you actually have 2 flaps connected via glue. Let's load our product, which is of course a perfect fit. And as you can see, you have the 1, 2, 3, so I know you go 1, 2 and 3, and we also glue this one. Technically speaking, you could also use tape for this box, but we don't really recommend it because the box gets a lot of its sturdiness through our special glue, so we just recommend you stick with that instead. Okay, so this is a different version from the 203. This one actually consists of 2 parts, so these are 2 203s without a top, and we will then fit them over each other. The benefit of this box compared to the default 203 is that you can make it way bigger, so for a lot of more higher products. But also, since you have a top and a bottom that will fit over each other, each side of the box will have at least 2 layers of corrugated protecting it. So this is just a real tank of a box. Also, a nice added bonus, with this one you can add grips, so you can easily carry your package. Since we are packing up a compressor of at least 40 kilos here, I'm going to add a little bit more glue to really reinforce the bottom of our box. can also see that we add, for a bit of visual aid, which part is the top and which part is the bottom of the box. All right, so this one will fit right over. This fits perfectly. There you go, you can tape them together, and then, as you can see, you can just lift it up and walk away.